Welcome to the VeriPic Evidence Pad tutorial to enter a case number. For simplicity, some agencies prefer that all mobile data be uploaded to a default case. If you entered a default case number during setup, it will show up here, and all of your files will be uploaded to it. To upload evidence to a specific case other than the default case, flip the switch to allow edits to the case number. Type the new case number here so that when you upload your files, they will go into the desired case in the Digital Evidence Manager. We hope that you have enjoyed your VeriPic Evidence Pad training. Please contact us through our website at www.veripic.com if you have any questions or wish to expand your system. If you need to talk to a live person, please call 888-VeriPic. That's 888-837-4742. Thank you.